So this is like week 2 of wildfires burning all around us, and wearing masks while we're farming and just trying to do kind of the bare minimum to get the plants by, but get ready for fall and get the crops in the ground that we need for overwintering. And I guess just like a moment, it's really hard. It's just really hard to stay motivated. Days like today, you really feel like throwing in the towel, but like you just can't. And then there's also just so much to be grateful for in the same breath. Our farm still stands. You know, there's lots of people just a little bit to the south of us that are losing their farms. It's just hard today. Tomorrow will be better.